Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to techvillian, the channel that brings you the latest tech news and tutorials. Today, we're going to talk about how to open a Facebook account. So, if you're new to the social media platform and don't know how to create an account, stick around, and we'll guide you through the process step by step. Go to Facebook's website. The first thing you need to do is go to the Facebook website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in www.facebook.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Facebook homepage. Step 2: Sign up. The next step is to sign up for a new account. To do this, click on the Sign Up button located on the top right corner of the page. You will be redirected to a new page where you'll need to provide some personal information. Step 3: Enter your details. On the Sign Up page, you'll be asked to enter your first name, last name, mobile number or email address, password, date of birth, and gender. Make sure to enter the correct information as it will be used to create your account and also for security purposes. Step 4: Upload a profile picture. Host: after you've entered your personal information, you can choose to upload a profile picture. This can be a picture of yourself or anything else you'd like to represent you on Facebook. Step 5: Verify your account. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, you'll need to verify your account. Facebook will send a verification code to the mobile number or email address you provided. Enter the code on the verification page, and your account will be activated. And that's it. You've successfully created your Facebook account. You can now start adding friends, joining groups, and posting updates. Remember, always keep your personal information and account details safe and secure. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to open a Facebook account. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. See you in the next video.